Hey there friends, on today's video I'm going to show you how to set Safari, this is a web browser here on a Mac, as your default web browser. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you've been using multiple web browsers on your Mac, maybe you've been using Google Chrome or Firefox, and you'd like to make Safari your default browser, it's actually really easy to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have Safari open. And then we're going to come up here to the Safari menu and we're going to click on Safari, and then we're going to come down here and we're going to click on Preferences. Now this is going to open up a number of different tabs that we have some menu options for, but we're going to stay on the General tab here. As you can see, the first option is Safari is not your default browser, and we can actually click this button and set it as the default. Once I click this, you can see that we get a little notification stating that you are currently using Google Chrome as your default. And then all we need to do is click Use Safari and it will change it to our default. Now this is actually something you can also do using the Settings menu. But again, if you're here inside Safari, this may be the easiest way for you to do it. Friends, I hope that has helped. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, because we are making a ton more Mac tutorial videos. Those are coming out really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching.